Hello everyone, and welcome back to Wealthway. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the road to building wealth and the elusive first $100,000. We'll be diving into the insights of the famous billionaire investor and vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, Charlie Munger, and why he believes that reaching this milestone is the hardest. But fear not, because we're also going to reveal how you can make this journey easier and more rewarding. So let's get started. You've probably heard it before. The first $100,000 is the hardest. But why is that? Well, it's not just a saying. It holds some truth. When you're starting from scratch, you don't have the benefit of money already working for you. Let's explore the reasons behind this challenge. Charlie Munger famously stated that the first $100,000 is a bit like a mountain to climb. Why is that? Because it's challenging to accumulate a significant amount of money when you're just starting out in your financial journey. But why is it so much harder to go from $0 to $100,000 than from $100,000 to $200,000 or even to the $1 million mark? Well, there are two key reasons. Reason number one, when you're starting, you'll likely have very little money in the market, generating additional money through compounding interest. You're at a disadvantage because your money isn't yet working for you. Reason number two, compounding interest, or the lack thereof. When you have some money invested, it's easier to grow your wealth because you're generating a return on your investment. But when you start from zero, you're missing out on this compounding effect. So, what can you do to make this journey simpler and kickstart your wealth building path? Let's look at some actionable steps you can take right now. The initial $100,000 is challenging to save or invest due to two main reasons. Reason number one, early in your professional life, you might have low income and high costs. It's challenging to create a surplus between your total income and expenses at this stage. Reason number two, compounding interest. Starting with zero means you miss out on the benefits of your money working for you. So, how can you save and invest your first $100,000 more quickly? The key is to increase your surplus between income and spending. The faster you save or invest your first $100,000, the more money you can make. And you'll make that money much more easily than ever before. Here are some strategies. 1. Focus on gaining a valuable skill. Consider learning skills in demand, such as video editing or copywriting, to earn extra income. 2. Advance at work. Work hard and aim for promotions or salary increases. 3. Perform well at your job. Success at work can lead to annual wage increases and bonuses. 4. Explore part-time jobs. Take up part-time gigs like coaching or babysitting for extra income. 5. Start a side hustle. Consider launching a side project or business during evenings and weekends. 6. Explore reselling or flipping. Learn these skills online to earn extra income. Congratulations! You've earned your first $100,000. Now, what should you do with it? Protect yourself from excessive expenses and continue to invest and grow this amount into multiples. Here's a plan. 1. Protect yourself. Avoid unnecessary expenses and luxuries that can eat into your savings. 2. Continue to invest. Don't stop at $100,000. Keep growing your wealth through smart investments. So, how should you invest your money? Let's explore some options. 1. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments to manage risk. 2. Real estate. Invest in properties that are likely to appreciate in value. Ensure rental income covers expenses. 3. Low-cost index funds. Consider investing in these to start. They offer a good balance of risk and reward. Now that we've touched upon the importance of your income and savings rate in reaching your first $100,000, let's delve deeper into some strategies that can accelerate your journey. Charlie Munger emphasizes that the time it takes to save $100,000 is directly linked to your income and savings rate. To illustrate this concept, let's explore an example. Person A earns $80,000 annually, but manages to save only $5,000 each year. On the other hand, Person B earns $50,000 but saves a remarkable $10,000 annually. As a result, Person B is on track to reach the coveted $100,000 milestone much more swiftly. But let's not stop there. We want to empower you with actionable steps to speed up your wealth building process. Firstly, increasing your income is a pivotal factor. As your career progresses, focus on acquiring valuable skills or seeking promotions to boost your earnings. Remember, a higher income provides a more significant surplus to save and invest. Secondly, consider side hustles or part-time jobs to supplement your primary income. This extra income can turbocharge your savings rate, making it easier to accumulate wealth. Thirdly, diversify your investments wisely. Explore various asset classes to balance risk and reward. This approach can help your money grow faster and more consistently. Building wealth isn't just about saving. It's about the art of early and wise investment. Let's explore this further. As your income increases, you should seize the opportunity to contribute more to your investment accounts. However, it's crucial to resist lifestyle inflation. Starting early is a powerful strategy. The earlier you begin investing, the longer your money has to grow. Time can be your most significant asset in the world of investing. But let's not forget the importance of making informed choices. Diving into investments without a clear plan can be risky. Seek out expert advice or educate yourself about various investment options. Additionally, resist the temptation to inflate your lifestyle as your income rises. It's easy to fall into the trap of increased spending when you earn more. Instead, maintain a disciplined approach to savings and investments. Remember, the key is to strike a balance between enjoying the present and securing your financial future. By adhering to these principles, you can not only reach your first $100,000 faster, but also set yourself up for long-term financial success. In conclusion, the road to your first $100,000 may be challenging, but it's entirely achievable with the right strategies and discipline. Remember, it's not just about saving. It's about smart investing that can make your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our financial wisdom. And as always, thank you for joining us at Wealthway. Until next time, keep building your wealth, one step at a time.